You need to show up. That's the number one rule for success. In the beginning of my journey, where I didn't get any results, I didn't show up, okay? What I did is I thought I needed all of the information out there, so I was an information hoarder. I hoarded everything to me. Be like, oh my God, I need this. I also need to learn how to duplicate it over to Instagram here. And I consumed all of the programs, all of what the mentors told me to do, and I didn't do shit. I didn't do anything. People, they are so scared of taking action and showing up, including me in the beginning, so I get it. You don't need to know everything before you get started. In fact, you don't need to know it all, okay? You just need to go do it. You know you need to call your boss for something. You know that you need to go and record that reel for Instagram. You have consumed countless of programs on how to grow a following on Instagram, but you haven't even created your Instagram bio yet. It's not gonna be perfect the first time, and you're gonna fail 100%. You need to show up. That's the number one rule for success. You simply just have to show up and take action.